Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? A. Federalism. B. Presidential form of government. C. Secularism. D. Parliamentary system. Answer. B. Presidential form of government. India follows a parliamentary system of government, not a presidential system. The Indian Constitution is the blank written constitution in the world. A. Shortest. B. Second longest. C. Longest. D. Oldest. Answer. C. Longest. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution, containing numerous articles and schedules. Which of the following is a unique feature of the Indian Constitution? A. Judicial supremacy. B. Parliamentary sovereignty. C. Integrated judiciary. D. Presidential system. Answer. C. Integrated judiciary. India has a unified judicial system where the Supreme Court is the highest authority. The concept of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of A. UK. B. USA. C. France. D. Ireland. Answer. B. USA. The fundamental rights in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution are inspired by the US Bill of Rights. The Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP, are inspired by the Constitution of A. USA. B. UK. C. Ireland. D. Canada. Answer. C. Ireland. DPSP in Part 4 of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Irish Constitution. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains the division of powers between the Union and the states? A. 7th Schedule. B. 6th Schedule. C. 9th Schedule. D. 10th Schedule. Answer. A. 7th Schedule. The 7th Schedule defines union, state, and concurrent lists. What type of government structure does India follow? A. Unitary. B. Federal with unitary features. C. Purely federal. D. Presidential. Answer. B. Federal with unitary features. India has a quasi-federal structure, meaning it has federal and unitary elements. The concept of a single citizenship in India is borrowed from A. USA. B. UK. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer. B. UK. Like the UK, India provides single citizenship, unlike the US, which has dual citizenship. The parliamentary system of governance in India is adopted from A. USA. B. UK. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer. B. UK. India's parliamentary system, including the Prime Minister's role, is modelled after the UK. The idea of the President being the constitutional head is borrowed from A. USA. B. UK. C. Ireland. D. France. Answer. B. UK. Like the UK, India has a ceremonial head, President, and a Prime Minister as the real executive. The emergency provisions in the Indian Constitution were borrowed from A. USA. B. Canada. C. Germany. D. Russia. Answer. C. Germany. India adopted emergency provisions from the Weimar Constitution of Germany. The concept of fundamental duties was borrowed from A. USSR. B. UK. C. USA. D. Germany. Answer. A. USSR. Fundamental duties in Part IVA were inspired by the USSR Constitution. Which country's constitution inspired India's federal structure? A. UK. B. Canada. C. USA. D. Australia. Answer. B. Canada. India's federalism with a strong center was influenced by Canada's model. Which of the following features of the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the USA? A. Fundamental rights. B. Parliamentary system. C. Single citizenship. D. Directive principles. Answer. A. Fundamental rights. The idea of the governor being the head of a state is borrowed from A. USA. B. Canada. C. UK. D. Australia. Answer. B. Canada. The concept of a written constitution is borrowed from A. UK. B. USA. C. USSR. D. France. Answer. B. USA. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part 5. D. Part 6. Answer. B. Part 4. The idea of republic in the Indian Constitution means A. The head of state is elected. B. The Prime Minister is supreme. C. Government rules by religion. D. India is a monarchy. Answer. A. The head of state is elected. The idea of judicial review in India is taken from A. USA. B. UK. C. France. D. Canada. Answer. A. USA. Which amendment added the fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 73rd Amendment. D. 86th Amendment. Answer. A. 42nd Amendment. The principle of equal protection of laws is taken from A. UK, B. USA, C. Canada, D. Germany. Answer: B. USA. Which of the following sources influenced the idea of social, economic, and political justice in the preamble? A. Russia, B. France, C. Germany, D. Canada. Answer: A. Russia. The concept of the preamble in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from A. USA, B. UK, C. Canada, D. Ireland. Answer: A. USA. The idea of a preamble in the Constitution was inspired by the US Constitution. The provision for an independent judiciary in India is taken from A. USA, B. UK, C. France, D. Russia. Answer: A. USA. The independence of the judiciary and the power of judicial review are inspired by the American Constitution. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the idea of concurrent list from A. USA, B. UK, C. Canada, D. Australia. Answer: D. Australia. The concept of a concurrent list, where both the centre and states can legislate, is taken from Australia. The procedure for amendment in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from A. UK, B. USA, C. South Africa, D. Ireland. Answer: C. South Africa. The method of constitutional amendment in India is influenced by South Africa. Which of the following statements is true regarding the Indian Constitution? A. It is the world's shortest written constitution. B. It has only federal features. C. It is the world's longest written constitution. D. It does not include fundamental rights. Answer: C. It is the world's longest written constitution. The concept of the rule of law is borrowed from A. USA, B. UK, C. Russia, D. France. Answer: B. UK. The British Constitution introduced the idea that no one is above the law. The provision for a joint sitting of Parliament is borrowed from A. USA, B. UK, C. Australia, D. Canada. Answer: C. Australia. The concept of resolving a deadlock through a joint sitting is inspired by the Australian Constitution. Which of the following is not a federal feature of the Indian Constitution? A. Division of powers, B. Independent judiciary, C. Single citizenship, D. Bicameral legislature. Answer: C. Single citizenship. Unlike the USA, where there is dual citizenship, state and national, India provides single citizenship. The idea of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution is influenced by A. UK, B. USA, C. France, D. Russia. Answer: B. USA. The three-tier system of Panchayati Raj is based on the recommendation of A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, B. Sarkaria Commission, C. Ashok Mehta Committee, D. Mandal Commission. Answer: A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The concept of cabinet government in India is borrowed from A. UK, B. USA, C. Canada, D. Germany. Answer: A. UK. The concept of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from A. USSR, B. USA, C. Germany, D. Ireland. Answer: D. Ireland. The directive principles of state policy, inspired by Ireland, promote social welfare. Which feature of the Indian Constitution is taken from Germany? A. President as head of state, B. Fundamental rights, C. Emergency provisions, D. Parliamentary system. Answer: C. Emergency provisions. The idea of impeachment of the president is borrowed from A. UK, B. USA, C. Canada, D. Ireland. Answer: B. USA. Which feature is borrowed from the Soviet Union, USSR? A. Presidential system, B. Fundamental duties, C. Parliamentary system, D. Federalism. Answer: B. Fundamental duties. The concept of a strong center in India is inspired by A. USA, B. UK, C. Canada, D. Australia. Answer: C. Canada. The election process of the President of India is influenced by A. USA, B. Ireland, C. UK, D. Australia. Answer: B. Ireland. The feature of the suspension of fundamental rights during emergency is taken from A. Germany, B. UK, C. USA, D. Canada. Answer: A. Germany. The concept of a union of states instead of a federation in India is borrowed from A. UK, B. USA, C. Canada, D. Australia. Answer: C. Canada. Which of the following is a borrowed feature from the Government of India Act, 1935? A. Fundamental rights. B. Parliamentary system. C. Emergency provisions. D. Independence of judiciary. Answer. C. Emergency provisions. The feature of residue powers with the center is inspired by A. USA. B. Canada. C. UK. D. USSR. Answer. B. Canada. The term Union of States is mentioned in A. Article 1. B. Article 21. C. Article 14. D. Article 370. Answer. A. Article 1. The idea of parliamentary privileges is borrowed from A. USA. B. UK. C. Canada. D. Australia. Answer. B. UK.